Installing Desklog on Linux is simple and straightforward. Here's how. Navigate to the Desklog website. Open the website and click on Download. Navigate to the Download page and click on Download for Linux. If you are installing Desklog on the Ubuntu version 22.04 or above, you can disable Wayland protocol as follows. To ensure precise tracking outcomes, open the terminal, sudo nano/etc/dmna3/custom.com. Search for the line hash Wayland enable =false and set it to false to disable Wayland. Here you can do it by uncommenting it by removing the hash. Save your changes and close the file. Reboot your computer for the changes to take effect. The Wayland protocol is now disabled. You can continue with the installation. Click on the downloaded file and open the installation window. Then click Install. Once the installation is done, launch the Desklog client app. Enter your email address and password to log in. You'll see that you have successfully logged into Desklog. Or for advanced users, you can install Desklog via terminal also. Open the terminal. Type the terminal command, sudo dpkgi file name. Now Desklog is successfully installed. Follow the same login procedure. And there you have it. Desklog is now installed on your Linux system. Now, click on the Installed Desklog client icon. Choose My Desklog from the drop-down. You've landed in the Desklog dashboard. Boost your productivity and enjoy all its features today.